Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The Lord was enriched with 4 hands, earrings of molten gold, and eyes blood red with fury. As he loitered about, his club constantly encircled him like a shooting star. It is said in the Brahm Samhita that the Supreme Lord Govind, by his one plenary portion, enters into the halo of the universe and distributes himself as Paramatma, or the Supersoul, not only within the heart of every living being, but also within every atom of the material elements. Thus the Lord is all-pervading by his inconceivable potency, and thus he entered the womb of Uttra to save his beloved devotee Maharaj Parikshit. In the Bhagavad Gita, the Lord assured everyone that his devotees are never to be vanished. No one can kill a devotee of the Lord, because he is protected by the Lord, and no one can save a person whom the Lord desires to kill. The Lord is all-powerful, and therefore he can both save and kill as he likes. He became visible to his devotee Maharaj Parikshit, even in that awkward position, in the womb of his mother, in a shape just suitable for his vision. The Lord can become bigger than thousands of universes and can become smaller than an atom at the same time. Merciful as he is, he becomes just suitable to the vision of the limited living being. He is unlimited. He is not limited by any measurement of our calculation. He can become bigger than what we can think of, and he can become smaller than what we can conceive. But in all circumstances, he is the same all-powerful Lord. There is no difference between the thumb-like Vishnu in the womb of Uttra and the full-fledged Narayan in the Vaikuntha Dham, the kingdom of Godhead. He accepts the form of Arch-Vigra, worshipable deity, just to accept service from his different incapable devotees. By the mercy of the Arch-Vigra, the form of the Lord in material elements, the devotees who are in the material world can easily approach the Lord, although he is not conceivable by the material senses. The Arch-Vigra is therefore an all-spiritual form of the Lord to be perceived by the material devotees. Such an Arch-Vigra of the Lord is never to be considered material. There is no difference between matter and spirit for the Lord, although there is a gulf of difference between the two in the case of the conditioned living being. For the Lord there is nothing but spiritual existence, and similarly there is nothing except spiritual existence for the pure devotee of the Lord in his intimate relation with the Lord.